Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can detect if a photo is from Pinterest, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to detect if a photo is from Pinterest, of course, you will need to open your Pinterest app first. Now that you've opened your Pinterest, the next step is to tap this search button at the bottom. After that, you can now tap this to scan the photo. And now you can start selecting the photo that you want to scan. Just tap the photo to select. After you tap the image, Pinterest will automatically start searching to determine if the photo is from its own platform. After Pinterest finished searching, this will appear. If you see the exact same photo that you scanned right here, then that just means that the photo is from Pinterest, but if you don't see the exact same photo, then that just means it is not from Pinterest. As you can see right here, this photo and the photo that I scanned is exactly the same, so that just means that the photo that I scanned is from Pinterest. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. And so that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video, thanks for watching, goodbye.